welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I am Purva and I welcome you all again in my channel. So today's video, from the video title you already know, it's going to be all about how to lose your stubborn belly fat. So today's video is going to be all about losing your belly fat at home. So first of all, I'll show you few morning drink options, then I'll show you one very healthy breakfast recipe, and of course I'll show you my exercise routine that I follow regularly to stay in shape and also to lose my belly fat. So losing belly fat is not impossible with a very healthy lifestyle. You can definitely achieve that. So today's video is going to be all about that. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. And my friends, this is my request to all of you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you are liking my content, if you are liking my videos, then please do subscribe to my channel and please be a part of my Positivity and Happiness family. So now without wasting any time, let's start today's video.
So my friends, here I am sharing with you all few morning drink options that will be very beneficial for you all to lose your stubborn belly fat. So previous night actually you can make this nice detox water, and next day morning you can have it on empty stomach. So here you can see in the water I'm adding some ginger slice, and then I'm adding lemon and also cucumber, and of course some coriander or mint leaves. Today I'm using mint leaves, but you can use coriander too. And trust me my friends, if you can follow this routine for 15 to 20 days, you will definitely see some changes in your waistline. Second morning drink option is very simple morning drink that I prefer to have every day morning, that is lemon honey water. Many times I have shared this with you all in my videos. So in this lukewarm water I'm going to squeeze some lemon and then some honey, and then peacefully I'm going to enjoy this glass of lemon honey water. Belly fat, this water will be very beneficial. If you don't want to have honey, if you are staying in a warm country, then definitely you can skip honey and instead you can have just the lemon water. Trust me my friends, it will help you to cut your stubborn belly fat within just 1 month. So do try it in your here my friends. I'm showing you 3 more morning drink option which is very easy to make. You can make this previous night and next day morning you can have it. This is jeera or cumin infused water, ajwain infused water, and also there is methi infused water. So 3 water is very beneficial if you are trying to lose your belly fat, and this is a perfect detox water, and also it will balance your body nicely. From showing you the healthy morning drink options, now I'm sharing with you all my exercise routine that always helps me to lose my belly fat. First, here is plank exercise that I have already shared in my previous video, but here again I am showing you. And my friends, the good time to do your morning exercise is before breakfast. Yes, after having your morning drink, you can have 5 or 6 soaked almonds, and then you can straight go for your morning exercise for good 20 to 30 minutes. First, I'm showing you my plank exercise. You already know how to do the plank exercise. This is very tough initially, but gradually you will feel comfortable with this exercise, and trust me, you will feel lot of pressure on your core muscle area, and that will actually be very helpful, and that will help you to strengthen your core muscle. Now after plank, here I'm showing you another exercise that I do regularly to tone my belly muscles, to lose my belly fat. So this exercise also is very tough initially. You will feel again lot of pressure on your core muscle area, but this is the trick actually. In this way you will be able to lose your belly fat. So yes, in this way you can repeat this exercise for 2 to 3 minutes. So in 3 angle I'm going to straighten my legs in this way. And don't forget to rest for 10 to 12 seconds after doing one stroke. And repeat this exercise for 2 to 3 minutes. And of course you can do it in the evening time, but trust me, before having your breakfast, if you can do your morning exercise, it will be very useful. And now you can do this exercise too. I regularly do this exercise. And not only for belly fat, it will help you to tone your leg muscles. And my friends, when you are doing this exercise, please try to stay calm, and morning is the best time to do this exercise. That's what I always tell you. And after finishing your morning exercise, you will feel super fresh, you will feel a positive energy from inside, and that will help you to keep going throughout the day in a very energetic way. So this is the good thing to do your exercise in the morning time. And now here comes my favorite exercise. I always put on some good music and then I do this exercise for good 5 to 10 minutes. And you can repeat this exercise for 2-3 times if you want. And in this way, you will be able to tone your belly fat, and also you will be able to tone your thigh muscles. After finishing all the exercise routine, I always end up my exercise schedule with this Surya Pranam, and it helps me to stay calm and to stay positive throughout the day. And after that, I'll go to my kitchen and make a delicious breakfast, and of course it will be a nutritious breakfast. But before that, I want to finish my Surya Pranam, and I do it for 1 minute actually every day. So here I'm doing my Surya Pranam in both the sides.
After doing your morning exercise, after having your morning drink and few almonds, then you can make your super healthy, super delicious and nutritious breakfast. And for today's breakfast, I'll be sharing with you all cabbage omelette recipe. So stay tuned for the recipe.
So for today's breakfast, I'll be sharing with you all high protein, high fiber cabbage omelette recipe. So for that, here I have cut cabbage in small pieces. Here I have taken 3 types of veggies like cabbage, carrots and onion. Here is 2 eggs. And also my friends, here is salt and pepper, very basic spice. And of course I'll make my omelette in olive oil. You already know this is extra virgin olive oil. And for some Indian tadka, little bit of red chili powder and cumin powder. Here in this bowl I'm going to mix all the ingredients properly. So red chili powder, cumin powder and 2 eggs, little bit of salt and pepper. And now I'm going to mix all the ingredients properly with help of this spoon. After doing your exercise, if you can intake this high fiber, high protein breakfast, it will help you to lose your belly fat. So do try it in your home. And if you don't have cabbage in your home, whatever veggies are available in your kitchen, just make this veggie omelette with that. But this is no carb recipe, so without any carb I'm going to make. And here first of all I'm going to put 1 frying pan on my oven, and also I have added some olive oil. And after heating up the oil, now I'm going to carefully add my egg and veggie mixture into it. And if you are vegetarian, then instead of eggs you can make paneer bhurji. And I always prefer to have high protein, high fiber breakfast, but it's not that every day I skip my carbs, but sometimes I prefer to have without carb breakfast, and this is the way I make my breakfast that day. So yes, if you want to lose your belly fat fast, then you have to take care of your carb intake. So this is a high protein, high fiber meal. Yes, if you want it extra spicy, you can add some chili flakes. So here I have added just a little amount of chili flakes, not much, for that extra flavor. And now I'm going to cover the lid and I'll let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, now I'm going to take out the lid, and here you can see the bottom part of my omelette is perfectly done. And now I'm going to take it out and cook. You can see I have taken out in this plate, and now I'm going to cook the another part. So I'll flip it and I'll put it in this. Yes, here you can see I have put it in this tawa. So now the other part also will be cooked properly. And of course I'm cooking it in low flame. Here you can see it's just 2. And now after 2 to 3 minutes, now with the help of a fork, you can see whether it's cooked properly or not. And yes, it's cooked perfectly. And now I'm going to take it out and I'll serve my breakfast. So yes, this is how my very yummy cabbage omelette looks like. My friends, if you want to lose your weight fast, then you have to take this kind of breakfast. And of course, it's looking very, very delicious, and without any carb I have made this breakfast. So this is very good if you want to lose your fat fast. So do try it in your home in the breakfast time. If you can intake this kind of omelette with lots of vegetable, you will be super energetic throughout the day, and it will help you to stay positive and to stay spirited throughout the day. If you want, you can cut it from the middle, and you can actually cut it in 4 pieces, and then you can enjoy your meal. And of course, you can have matcha green tea or just a regular green tea with that.
Enjoy my super healthy, super delicious cabbage omelette. You can see I have cut it in 4 pieces, and now peacefully I'm going to enjoy my breakfast sitting on my dining table. So I just wanted to tell you that it's looking super delicious, and of course it tastes super delicious too. It's very, very healthy. So let's taste. This is absolutely delicious. This is so good, and trust me my friends, do try it in your home. And in today's vlog, I just wanted to show you the healthy way to lose your belly fat. I hope you have enjoyed my today's content. So I'll be back soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video, full day diet plan, full day recipe videos, and of course my healthy lifestyle related vlogs. So take care of yourself, do your regular exercise, and eat healthy food. Drink plenty of water, at least 3 liters of water in a day. Do your regular exercise and have lots of fruits and vegetables. And always try to have lots of high protein and high fiber meals. So I'll see you super soon. Tata, bye bye, love you.